Every morning, the sun rises with enough energy to power the world. Yet, for millions of homes and businesses, reliable electricity remains one of life's greatest challenges. In a world where energy has become one of our most important needs, the demand for reliable, efficient, and long-lasting solar solutions continues to grow. But delivering premium solar energy isn't just about selling a solar panel. It's about ensuring that every panel installed on a rooftop today can continue performing for years to come. At Magic Global Tech, we understood that if we truly wanted to provide dependable solar energy solutions for homes and businesses across Nigeria, quality could never be left to chance. We knew that every solar panel carrying the Suntrick name had to meet a standard we could confidently stand behind. That commitment took us beyond the showroom, beyond the warehouse, and beyond the borders of Nigeria. To better understand the technology, processes, and quality standards behind modern solar manufacturing, we follow the journey of solar panels from the very beginning, right from the production line where energy solutions are born. Now, the story starts with solar cells, small, carefully engineered components that serve as the foundation of every solar panel. Although they may appear simple, these cells are responsible for capturing sunlight and transforming it into usable electricity that powers homes, offices, factories, schools, hospitals, and businesses around the world. Each cell must meet strict standards before moving to the next stage of production. Through advanced manufacturing technology and precision engineering, individual solar cells are carefully arranged and connected together. At this stage, accuracy is everything. Every connection, every alignment, and every measurement contributes to the performance, efficiency, and reliability of the finished product. Modern production equipment ensures consistency throughout the manufacturing process, reducing errors and maintaining high-quality standards from one panel to the next. As the process continues, the interconnected cells begin to take the shape of a complete solar panel. Protective materials are added to shield the cells from harsh environmental conditions while ensuring maximum sunlight reaches the energy-producing surface. These layers work together to protect the internal components from moisture, dust, temperature changes, and years of outdoor exposure. What may seem like a simple panel on a rooftop is actually the result of multiple carefully engineered layers working together as a single energy generating system. The next phase is one of the most important stages in the entire manufacturing process. Using controlled heat and pressure, the various layers are permanently bonded together through a specialized lamination process. This stage strengthens the structure of the panel and ensures long-term durability in real-world operating conditions. Designed to withstand years of exposure to sunlight, rainfall, wind, and changing weather patterns, the panel now moves closer to completion. An aluminum frame is then added to provide structural strength and support. This frame helps protect the panel during transportation, installation, and years of operation in the field. Additional components are installed to allow the panel to safely deliver power once connected to a complete solar energy system. But manufacturing alone is not enough. A solar panel must prove itself before it can earn the confidence of customers. That is why every panel undergoes a series of quality control procedures and performance tests. Specialized testing equipment is used to verify electrical outputs, identify potential defects, and ensure the panel performs according to expected standards. Every measurement matters, every result matters, every inspection matters, every Suntrick solar panel matters, because a solar panel is only as good as its ability to consistently generate energy when customer needs it most. Only after passing these critical tests can the panel move forward. Once approved, the finished panels are carefully packaged and prepared for transportation. Every precaution is taken to ensure that the quality achieved during manufacturing is preserved throughout the journey. From the production facility to the warehouse, from loading operations to international transportations, every stage requires careful handling and coordination. Thousands of kilometers later, these panels begin arriving in Nigeria, but their journey is not yet complete. Upon arrival, they are safely offloaded, distributed to homes, businesses, commercial facilities, and energy products across the country. What once existed as individual solar cells inside a manufacturing facility is now ready to become part of something much bigger. Installation teams carefully position each panel to maximize sunlight production and optimize energy production. Every panel is placed with purpose. Every connection is made with precision. Every installation represents another step towards reliable and sustainable energy. And then comes the moment that makes the entire journey worthwhile. The first rays of sunlight strikes the surface of the panel. Electricity begins to flow. Lights come on. Businesses remain productive. Homes enjoy greater comfort. Families experience more reliable power, and organizations gain greater control over their energy future. This is the transformation that Suntrick Solar Energy makes possible. At Magic Global Tech, our commitment has always been clear: to provide products and solutions that deliver value, reliability, and long-term performance. That commitment is what drives the Suntrick Solar brand, a brand built on innovation, a brand built on quality, a brand built on the belief that every customer deserves access to dependable energy solutions they can trust. Because behind every Suntrick solar panel is more than a manufacturing process. There is engineering, there is technology, there is quality control, there is dedication, and there is a commitment to helping homes and businesses move towards a brighter and more energy independent future. From carefully engineering solar cells to professionally installed energy systems, every step of the journey reflects a pursuit of excellence. This is not simply the story of how a solar panel is made. This is a story of how innovation becomes energy, how technology becomes reliability, how sunlight becomes power. Suntrick solar panels delivered by Magic Global Tech, engineered for performance, built for reliability, powered by the future. From high-efficiency half-cut monofacial solar panels to advanced half-cut bifacial technology, every Suntrick solar panel is designed to deliver dependable performance, maximum energy harvest, and long-term value. At Magic Global Tech, we work with carefully selected and trusted manufacturing partners around the world, ensuring that every solar panel, solar system meets the quality, reliability, and performance standards our customers deserve. Because our mission goes beyond selling solar products. It's about empowering homes, supporting businesses, and driving the transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy solutions across Africa. Whether you're powering a home, an office, a factory, a farm, or a commercial facility, Suntrick solar panels are built to help you get more from every ray of sunlight. Ready to take control of your energy future? Visit Magic Global Tech in Benin, Lagos, or Abuja, or contact us from anywhere in Nigeria. We deliver nationwide and provide professional support every step of the way. Call or WhatsApp any of the numbers displayed on your screen today. Together, let's build a brighter future, one solar system at a time. Thank you.